My brother and sister, what if I told you that one simple phrase, Astaghfiru-Allah, could open doors you thought were closed forever? Doors of mercy, doors of healing, doors of blessings and unexpected solutions. Most people say it without realizing its power. But today, you're about to discover how this one word can transform your wealth, your peace, your heart, and your entire life. Stay with me, because the change you've been praying for might begin with a single Astaghfirullah. Saying Astaghfirullah is more than a phrase, it is a doorway to the infinite mercy of Allah. Every time a believer sincerely asks for forgiveness, Allah responds with compassion, love and forgiveness far greater than the mistakes we carry. No sin is too big, no burden is too heavy, and no past is too dark for the mercy of the one who created us. When a person makes istighfar part of their daily life, the heart begins to feel lighter, softer, and closer to Allah. Forgiveness is not only about wiping sins from the record, it is a deep spiritual cleansing. Just like dust settles on a mirror, sins and regrets cloud the heart. Astaghfirullah removes that dust, allowing the heart to shine again with faith and clarity. When Allah forgives, He replaces fear with peace, guilt with hope, and darkness with light. Through sincere repentance, a believer acknowledges their need for Allah, humbles themselves, and turns back to Him with trust. And Allah promises that whoever comes to Him seeking forgiveness, He will forgive them again and again. Every Astaghfirullah becomes a step toward a new beginning, a purer soul, and a stronger connection with the Creator. It opens the gates of mercy in this world and the next, transforming a person's life with spiritual peace, emotional healing, and divine love. One of the most astonishing powers of Astaghfirullah is how it removes hardships and opens doors to solutions a person never imagined. When life feels tight, opportunities close, relationships become strained, or problems pile up from every direction, abundant istidghar becomes a lifeline. Allah promises in the Quran that those who seek forgiveness will find ease after difficulty, relief after pressure, and clarity after confusion. Hardships often come from spiritual heaviness, and istighfar clears that blockage. When a believer repeatedly says Astaghfirullah, it invites divine help into situations that seem impossible for human effort alone. Problems begin to untangle in ways the person never saw coming. A sudden opportunity, a changed heart, a solution appearing from an unexpected place, or a hardship softening without explanation. This is the unseen help of Allah responding to sincere repentance. Many people testify that when they increased istighfar during financial struggle, emotional pain, or family stress, Allah opened paths they never expected. This is because istighfar is not just about forgiveness. It is a key that unlocks divine support. It aligns the heart with Allah, removes spiritual obstacles, and draws blessings that transform one's circumstances. By saying Astaghfiru-Allah consistently, a believer invites ease into hardship, hope into despair, and solutions into confusion. It is one of the most powerful ways to change your life from the inside out. One of the most beautiful and life-changing blessings of Astaghfiru-Allah is the barakah it brings into a person's wealth, time, and overall life. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that whoever seeks forgiveness abundantly, Allah will open the doors of sustenance, ease, and divine blessings for them. This barakah is not just about earning more. It is about receiving better, purer, and more meaningful blessings. Barakah in wealth means your money stretches further. Your efforts bring better results and unexpected opportunities come your way. You may find new sources of income, sudden financial relief, or help arriving exactly when you need it. Istighfar removes the spiritual barriers that block rizq, allowing Allah's blessings to flow freely into your life. Barakah in time is equally powerful. When a person regularly says Astaghfiru-Allah, their day feels more productive, tasks become easier, and stress reduces. They accomplish more with less effort because Allah puts blessing into their hours. making every minute more valuable. Barakah in life means peace, stability, good health, and emotional strength. It means your home feels lighter, your relationships soften, and your heart becomes content. Allah puts a special tranquility in the life of the one who remembers Him. Through istighfar, your wealth becomes purer, your time becomes more blessed, and your life becomes more meaningful. It is a simple act that brings extraordinary results. One of the most transformative effects of Astaghfiru-Allah is the deep inner calm and emotional healing it brings to the heart. In a world filled with stress, regret, anxiety, and emotional pressure, the heart often becomes heavy without us even realizing it. Istighfar acts like spiritual therapy. It gently softens the heart, releases emotional tension, and reconnects a person with the peace that comes from remembering Allah. Every time you say Astaghfirullah, you acknowledge your weakness and Allah's perfection. This humility brings relief because you no longer carry the weight of your mistakes alone. You hand your burdens over to the one who can erase them completely. This act alone brings a wave of inner comfort, as if the soul finally exhales after holding its breath for too long. Emotional healing begins when guilt turns into hope, fear turns into trust, and confusion turns into clarity. Istighfar clears the mind, reduces overthinking, and strengthens emotional resilience. It reminds the heart that Allah is near, listening, and ready to heal what no human can see. For those battling sadness, heartbreak, trauma, or overwhelming stress, Astaghfirullah becomes a sanctuary. It brings a calmness that settles deep within the soul, a peace that is not dependent on circumstances, but rooted in faith. Through remembrance and sincere repentance, the heart becomes lighter, stronger, and more connected to the serenity Allah promises His servants. One of the greatest blessings of regularly reciting Astaghfirullah is that it attracts divine help in every area of life and deepens your faith in Allah. When a believer turns to Allah with sincerity, asking for forgiveness again and again, Allah responds in ways beyond human imagination. Help arrives at the perfect moment. Hearts soften, paths open, and difficulties shift, often in ways that cannot be explained except as pure divine intervention. Istighfar strengthens the bond between a servant and their creator. Every Astaghfirullah is a moment of humility, a step closer to Allah, and a reminder that He alone controls ease, solutions, and destiny. As Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught, when a believer seeks forgiveness consistently, Allah grants relief from worries and creates openings where none existed before. This reassurance increases a person's iman, trust, and dependence on Allah. Over time, the heart begins to feel stronger, more grounded, and more confident in Allah's plan. Faith grows because the believer starts witnessing real-life signs of Allah's help, problems resolving, fears calming, and unexpected blessings appearing. This creates a powerful cycle. The more you say Astaghfirullah, the more Allah helps you, and the more He helps you, the stronger your faith becomes. Istighfar is not just a dua, it is a spiritual force that pulls divine support into your life and builds unshakable faith, one sincere repetition at a time.